For further manipulations or for further analysis, we need several packages. So I will prefer to install all the packages together. So install and load the necessary packages. So what are the necessary packages? Actually, we need 4 packages for now: Tidyverse, Lubridate, Knitr, and GT. So the Tidyverse is a collection of R packages for data manipulation, visualization, and analysis, making data handling more intuitive. And if you install Tidyverse, it will also install ggplot2, table, tidyr, readr, dplyr, stringr, par, and forcuts. So maybe we may not need all of these, but at least we need the dplyr, okay, if not the others. ggplot2, we also need the ggplot. So anyway, you should install Tidyverse. Then you should also install Lubridate. So Lubridate actually helps you to simplify working with dates and times. As you can see, our date is considered as character here, so we have to change it. So we will need the Lubridate. Knitr is used for creating dynamic reproducible reports by integrating R code and text in a document. So later on you will see that we will create a descriptive statistics table. For that purpose we will need Knitr, and not only that, to make it a good looking table we also need GT. So let us install these 4 packages. So install .packages, then because we are going to install several, so we have to combine them here. Tidyverse should be within quotation anyway. You can also do it one by one, but if it is several, then this is one way of doing. You can install all of them in one line of code. Lubridate. Then the other one is Knitr. Then the other one is GT. Okay, so although these packages are already installed in my computer, but I'm installing it again just to show you that installing again does not harm. Installing again does not harm. So I'm pressing Ctrl Enter. Now it will install one by one. But it is not necessary to install again and again. Actually, by this time it installs, let me tell you what the components of the Tidyverse packages actually do. By components I mean the other packages that are included in Tidyverse. So ggplot actually creates professional customizable data visualizations. Table improves how data tables are displayed and handled. Tidyr helps organize messy data into a clean, analyzable format. Reader reads external data files like CSVs quickly and efficiently. Dplyr is used for data manipulation, such as filtering, summarizing, and transforming datasets. Then stringr simplifies working with text and strings, like finding and modifying patterns. Per helps apply functions to lists or data in a consistent way, and forcats makes handling categorical variables like labels or groups easier. Okay, so ultimately we need all these packages in financial data analytics. So installing them will help. We will need them later.